But I had ran over a tree branch. I don't know. It was like I don't know what happened. The items that I ordered off of Amazon, purse, scarves on it. Oh my god, y'all. It's this big old caterpillar. They say get a new build, right? I'm scared. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Ew, 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 ew. Okay, so I got the caterpillar. Y'all, I don't do bugs. Like, I have quarterly pest control, but I'm about to like go to Home Depot to get like some pest control that I can do myself too in the meantime, because I don't like bugs. Hey T-Loves, today is September the 4th, Thursday, September 4th. I'm getting ready to go to a watch party. Dallas Cowboys play the Philadelphia Eagles. So I'm with my friend Addis and we are about to head out soon. I'm gonna show you what I have on. Okay, so I'm gonna wear, hold on y'all.
Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as a life for squinting, can't just stare. We bathe through thick and thin, she already fixed on halfway there. Brown and back, could have changed my mind, I was halfway there. 100 meters, I just put 9 gal in a sprinter. 100 eaters, they won't fit in one SUV. SOS, somebody rescue me, I got too many, and I got, they could last me the next 2 weeks. Alright, let's send the address through, please. SUV, the outside white, the inside brown like Michael Jack. More time in Bella Line and trap. Spend like I don't even like my stack. Pistol came on an Irish ferry, let go and it sound like a tap dance. The way that I bought, no yellow, the ref had to give me a black card. Who did what with
How do you feel?
Hey T-Loves, today's Saturday, September 7th. I'm actually back in my car. So I have my car back. I have my car back for 2 days now. No, I had my car back since Tuesday. I had been having my car. But I had ran over a tree branch. I don't know. It was like I don't know what happened last night. Something was in the road and I ran it over. Now my tire pressure light is on. So now I'm at Discount Tires to get an air check. Life of being a woman, okay? Like a single woman. But I'm up here at a tire discounter. I'm about to get my tires checked because my stepdad, he told me just to take it up here and they should be able to put air in it, or if it's like something wrong with my tire, just to go ahead and just get a new tire. So that's what I'm doing. Then I'm gonna get gas, and then I'm heading home tomorrow to Cincinnati. And what else we're doing, this vlog, I'm not for sure how long this vlog is gonna be. And then I'm gonna go eat some lunch because I haven't ate anything. I had to clean out my refrigerator. I also had ordered those air filter and water filter. So I've been doing a lot, but I hope everyone is doing well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And yeah, T-Loves, 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 what's going on? It's football Sunday, okay? So today's football Sunday and I just got on something like really basic. I'll show y'all. So this is what we have on. This necklace is what I got. This necklace yesterday from TJ Maxx. It was like $16. But yeah, this is really cute. Good morning, T-Loves. So today is Monday, I think the 8th or 9th, I believe. I'm getting ready to, I gotta run to the grocery store and get some groceries. And then I was gonna go ahead and put my air filter and water filter, replace those. I was gonna replace those. And then what else I have planned today? I have therapy at 1. So I'll probably go sit somewhere and have my therapy session because I don't want to have it in the house. Like I just feel like I want to be outside somewhere, like sit on the patio or something. And then what else? I'll go back to work tomorrow. So I'll go back to work tomorrow. My battery's about to go dead. I'm trying to think what else I got going on. I'm not for sure. But yeah, oh, I need to go to Costco and a grocery store. So I gotta go to Costco to get like household items, and then the grocery store. But yeah, I'm still trying to get used to like this leave out, like this. I'm not good at doing like baby hairs, like the swoops and stuff. So I hope I did it to the best of my ability. I mean, my hair is like really like fine, so it's kind of like shriveling up. But if y'all don't like good any good edge controls that I can use to like help with this, that'd be good.
Why are you trying to be my girl? Yeah. I can't believe it. No, you got a man. Don't you have a man? Don't you got a man? Why are you trying to be my girl? Yeah. I can't believe it. No, you got a man. Don't you have a man? Don't you got a man? Why are you trying to be my girl? Yeah. I can't believe it. No, you got a man. Don't you have a man? Don't you got a man? Why are you trying to be my girl? Yeah. I can't believe it. No, you got a man. Don't you have a man? Why are you trying to be my girl? I can't believe it. No, you got a man. Don't you have a man? You got a man. Why are you trying to be my girl? Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so I just got done doing my front door. So let me know in the comments below if I should add like the pumpkins, because I'm gonna show you guys what I was initially going for. But the thing is, I don't want to have to like put pumpkins out there and then the weather gets really bad and they blow away. So I may not do the pumpkins, but this is the look I was going for. I may not do the pumpkins. I probably just keep it like it is, but I think it's really cute. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like it. Right now I'm about to go ahead and change my air filter and my water filter in my refrigerator, and then probably just chill, edit this vlog. I really didn't do too much in this vlog. I think, I don't know, this week I just been like really content about where things are going for me, and kind of like basking in the moment of being a homeowner and just figuring out what's next for me, and then just staying prayed up and just like not letting like fear of the unknown take control of my mind. Like surrendering everything to God, because right now I just feel like I'm content where I'm at. Especially like getting back to dating. So like I am getting back to going out to date. So that's kind of like new for me, because I wasn't like open to dating well, not right now, but like in my isolation season I wasn't really open to dating because I didn't have the capacity to have my full attention to someone else, but then also like focus on what I have going on. So I think this is a perfect time for me to go ahead and start dating. But I'm gonna make sure like this time that I am dating, I want it to be me and that person. I don't want others in our business, right? So so just so you know, I am back dating, and we'll see where this dating go. I probably won't share anything when it comes to my dating life, because I don't want nobody, it's none of your business, right? None of your business. But yeah, but I just want to like be transparent, like, you know, just in case y'all see me out in public. Let me stop. Let me stop. But yeah, so yeah, we're about to go change the air filter and water filter. Let me know in the comments below, what's your favorite thing you have done this week? What's a goal that you're trying to accomplish by the end of the year? I know that I have a few goals that I want to accomplish by the end of the year. I'm kind of like, I'm not for sure when it comes to my business. right now I'm just giving it to God. I'll post when I want to. Like I said, I am working with a marketer, but then also I'm looking at a social media manager as well. But I'm not really, at this point, I feel like I'm kind of going hard, and I shouldn't be going like this hard. Like I feel like I'm just being too hard on myself to get the business where I want it to be at, and it takes time. So it'll be a year on December 6th where I've been in business for a year, but it's like I want to change. I want to revamp some things. I want to change some things, but I feel like I feel like I'm not going to be my full potential unless I surrender, right? So that's what I've been like praying about, and just being content like where I'm at. Like I'm not like stressing. Like today was a good day. Like I had lunch at that coffee shop and had my therapy session outdoors. It was like very refreshing, and also journaled as well. So like it was very refreshing. We also are at 900 subscribers, so we need 100 subscribers to 1,000. But like I'm so thankful, and I just pray that like whatever comes next, like it's something that, you know, God has placed in my life for a reason. So yeah, let's change the air filters. Okay, so for those who are not aware, your refrigerator has an air filter. Your refrigerator has an air filter and also a water filter. Well, if you have like the double door fridge. So these are the items that I ordered off of Amazon. So through Frigidaire, it was more expensive to do because they want you to do a subscription. So I just ordered off of Amazon. So I'm gonna read the directions real quick. And we're gonna change. This one is easy to do. I know how to do this one. So let's do this one real quick. Okay, so this is the Frigidaire. I forgot what model I have. But this, so if you see this right here, you just clip this and it comes off, and the air filter is right here. So this is the air filter right here. Okay, y'all, so I took it out the refrigerator so you guys can see. So what you normally do is you're just gonna take it. Ooh, folks, stay still now. You're just gonna take it and just pop it off. So this is what it looks like. I think I had it backwards though, and you see how dirty it looks? Y'all can see, it looks really dirty. So now I'm gonna take the new package, just open it and put it in there. So it looks just like this. Oh, so this is, wait. Oh, okay, so this is what it looks like. Why does it like? Okay, so y'all, we just snap it in. This is a new one, right? I think this is a new one. Is this the new one? Ugh. Yeah, this is a new one. Just snap that in like that. So it should look like this. It should be. Yo, it shouldn't be this hard. So why is it like so hard to put this thing in? I finally got it on, y'all. That thing was hard, but it's finally on. So right now I'm watching this video, y'all, so I can get an idea how to change the water filter. So they're about to show me how to do it. Mine don't look like that. Mine is right there. So let's see.
Press hard.
So y'all just realized I ordered the wrong filter. So yeah, we're gonna have to drop that back off and order the new one. Hey guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday, September 16th. I didn't upload a vlog last week, and I'm not uploading a vlog this week. Well, today. I don't know, I just feel like I kind of didn't have enough footage for you all, but I guess that doesn't matter. But last time y'all seen me, I was trying to get this water filter into my refrigerator. So I had purchased the wrong one, so now I have the right one. So we're gonna install this here later in this vlog. I'm about to go get my eyebrows done and then get my face like threaded, because yeah, like I get like little hairs, even though that I don't have PCOS or endometriosis, things of that nature. Like I think it's just a hormonal imbalance that I need to probably like change my diet like immediately. I do need to go to Costco and get a few things in the store. I'm going to a taco night tonight at a friend's house, so I'm gonna get myself together for that. So I look kind of bummy today, and I just realized like I haven't carried this bag in a while, my Kurt Geiger bag. So I was like, I'm gonna carry my Kurt Geiger bag today. So y'all, let's head out. I have my water. Let me take my vitamins. Hold on. So y'all, I'm back home. I grabbed some lunch real quick because I haven't ate anything, and I was out getting stuff for my house, like getting like toiletry items and just so items I can have in my house. But I got like this hibachi. This is a lot. Oh my gosh. So I got this hibachi chicken with vegetables. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna eat a little bit because you know I'm about to go to this taco thing. She did just call me to ask me to bring, I was gonna bring something anyway, but she asked like for specific things. So I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna just go ahead and stop at the liquor store. And I'm not drinking. I've been 6 months, no alcohol. So I'm not drinking, but I'm gonna go get some alcohol for her. And yeah, but we're about to eat. I'm gonna get dressed and I'll come back on here. Okay, y'all, so we're running behind. But I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing. My Kurt Geiger bag, I put one of my purse scarves on it, and I had got this necklace. Y'all seen it before from TJ Maxx. So yeah, we're about to head out. I don't know. We might. I don't know. I feel the vibes. Yeah, let's go. Wow, y'all are so close to. Ooh. So okay, y'all. I just got home from working out, but I'm about to replace my water filter, and I looked at the instructions to make sure I have the right water filter. So I did order the right filter, so let's go ahead and do this. Goodness, did I click it? Okay, y'all, so I'm having a little trouble because if you can see, this is the old filter, right? And it has like some type of chip that came off right here. But the new one doesn't have that. So it's hard for me to get it in to click it. So I just keep messing with it until it's gonna be done. So 1 second.